the National Assembly is going out of its way to trample on the Constitution, on the fundamental rights of the ethnic identity of other traditional rulers, and placing and elevating these two traditional rulers that have no constitutional and historical basis over and above other traditional rulers. And they think that we will accept it. Now let us come. Let us start with the Sultan of Sokoto. How is the Sultan of Sokoto the head of traditional rulers anywhere other than in Sokoto and the emirates that are under Sokoto? Usman Dan Fodio led a jihad and overthrew the Hausa traditional institution and conquered other. He said it's a jihad which has no Quranic basis. It has no Islamic basis. The people he overthrew, Rumfa and others, were Muslims. And it is not Islamic to declare a Muslim a kuffar. Either you are the kuffar, you who is calling the other person a kuffar, you are the kuffar. There is no basis to declare another Muslim a kuffar. But it happened. They were overthrown. This was in 1808. Until the British came. And there were kingdoms. There were in the north that were never conquered by caliphate. There were kingdoms that were never conquered by the Sokoto Caliphate. Borgu was not conquered. Borodun was not conquered. Arugugu was not conquered. Part of Junku land was not conquered. Tifi land was not conquered. We can go on and on and on and on and on. Yes, today, I don't know what happened. The chief of Borgu in Nigeria has accepted to join the caliphate. Even Suleja, Abuja, the Abuja Emirate that left Zauzau because of the Osman Dan Fodio raid and war of conquest that came to find the Emirate of Abuja, which is now Suleja, was not conquered. But out of convenience or whatever it is, following the flow, these people have done. I was in Brenning Kebbi when Jokolo, Emir Jokolo was installed as Emir. And I saw historical somersault. The people of Suleja, they said, I think it was Emir Hawal that was there, that Suleja, Borgu, Arugongo are part of, no, Suleja and Borgu are part of the empire of Muhammad Bello. I think they said it's the western arm of the Sokoto Caliphate of Muhammad Bello. And I looked at my historical records and I found out that there was no basis for this because these people were never conquered. They were never conquered. So on what basis? We ask the question, on what basis? The Constitution clearly states that no citizen of Nigeria should be discriminated on no account, either by religion, by circumstances of his birth, by where he comes from. So why should my right be taken as Dabaya Makri and be given to the Sultan of Sokoto or the Ooni of Ife? On what basis? I don't know them. It is Nigeria that brought us together, and we all know the age of our stool. and the prominence of our stool. We all know the age of our stool and the prominence of our stool. This is arrant nonsense. Now, let us come. 1808, we have been existing. King Amakri, on whose second stool I sit today, Adabaya Makri the first, had a commemorative coin in 1788 in the United Kingdom. No foreigner had achieved that feat until maybe recently, I think Nelson Mandela, that have had a commemorative currency, legal tender in 1788. You can go and Google it. King Amakri. It's not today historical revisionism. People are coming to quote. No. He was the first African black man to own an ocean liner. Now, in Nigeria, they imposed the Sultan of Sokoto is the Amir Muslimin of Nigerian Muslim. How? Who made it? Where did the Majlis sit? Where did we sit to make the Sultan of Sokoto our Amir? How? Let the sleeping dog lie, as they say. A lot of people. When Goodluck was there, said he made the Sultan of Sokoto the permanent Amiru Hajj. I went to Goodluck is alive. Anybody can go and ask him. I went to him and said, Mr. President, sir, you are subordinating other Muslims to the Sultan of Sokoto. I am an Amakri. At that time, I never thought, I never even dreamed that I would become a Mayanabo. I told Goodluck, President Goodluck, that it was morally wrong that you are subjecting a Ijaw Muslim, I am an Ijaw Muslim, to the authority of another Muslim from another place, because you are all in Nigeria. That this is morally reprehensible, it is wrong, it is condemnable. He said, I see what you cannot see. It is when you sit on this chair that you know that there are certain things you have to let go. I am not ready to let go what my father has handed over to me. I can let go. I let go because I'm an individual. Alhaji Mujahid Dokuba Asari yesterday, because I was an individual, I can let go. But today I cannot let go because I am not an individual. I am now Dabaya Makri, the Abayinabo of the source, who presides over all the mysteries, the sacredness, and the totality of what Kalabari people represent. Even though not mistaken, there's an Amayina of Kalabari who is higher than me. But the rare... How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Ah! Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. Photo, not be juju be that. Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you. 70 years old man. Oh. I am mumu too much. You be mumu. You think say they wise. How many times?
You say you they wise. Mumu man. And we have actually spent enough time, over 2 hours already. Now let's begin to wrap it up now. Okay. Thank you very much. Lay Babs. I just got all those cups of coffee from you. A very generous one from you. Thank you. So let's begin to wrap it up. So this time, let's go to Ikorodu to see what the people have been subjected to since the rain that fell yesterday. I think it was overnight, was it? And the flooding that took over the entire, area. I hope it's probably like subsided by now, because it was really, really, really horrible this morning in people's homes.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is what I'm facing in my area at Ijede, Midland Street. From August 3 till August 4, Monday morning, my inside house, outside, is full of water. Big ocean. See my 3 cars inside water.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nílé Èkó, ní Ikorodu àṣehù, ní gbogbo báyé kú la wà yìí, ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ wo ní màálù, ní gbogbo. Ẹ wo òjò wọn bọ̀ òjò tó rọ̀ láti alẹ́ àná mọ́jú àárọ̀ yìí. Ẹ wo ibi tó dé o. Ẹ wo bí ìgbà tí àìpé yẹn wà ní odò òkun ní gbogbo ilé ló ti wọ̀ ládùúgbò yìí. Ẹ wò ó, ṣé ẹ ń rí wọn? Níbi àìmọye ilé tó ti wọ̀. Ẹ wò ó, inú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yìí, gbogbo ṣọ́ọ̀bù ló ti kún fómi yìí. Ẹ wò ó, ṣé ẹ rí? Ẹ wò ó, ẹ wá wo wá tunulé. Tẹ́tí pé tí ń wọlé. Ẹ rí, ẹ wò ó, ẹ wo inú compound tó ti wọ ẹbí tó mú máradé tí bá ti lọ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lọ ẹ máa tó mú mọ́tò dé. Ṣé bí irú eléyìí tún dábàá ẹlẹ́gùn kọ́ ló ń ṣàánú wa, kọ́ ló máa ka ogun omi yalé àgbàrá ya ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Ẹ wá wò kan, ṣé ẹ rí nǹkan o? Ẹ wò kan o, ẹ wo ibi tó mímú mi dé o, ẹ má kí bọ́ sínú komi. Ẹ wò, ṣé ẹ wò ṣé ẹ rí kan, ẹ gbógun wọ́ọ̀lù. Òjò tí ó rọ̀ láti bí oṣù kan, òjò tí ó rọ̀ láti bí oṣù kan lélẹ́yìí o. Kọ́lọ́ má bínú sí wa o. Bí ẹ̀yẹ bá sọ pé kójò má rọ̀ wípé wọ́n mójò ṣé lè fi bọ́jú mi báyìí wò kan. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ wo ibi tó mú mọ́tò dé. Ṣẹ́rí kan, ẹlòmíì kò lè ṣílẹ̀kùn nílé ẹ̀, ẹlòmíì nílé ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi dá láti nílé. Ṣé wò ó, ẹ wò ó, ẹ bá kún fàdúrà kọ́lọ́ máa kélé tún kó rọ̀jà kó má rọ̀ṣù lé ní o. Tó bá rọ̀ṣù lé ní ajẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló máa relocate kó ládùúgbò yìí o. Ṣé ti ríran? Ṣé ríran? Ṣé bó ṣe ń gbá lálá bí wà tí ẹ wà lórí òkun. Ṣé kí ẹ máa gbọ́kọ̀ sórí ilé, ṣé kò ní lọ? Ọwọ́ kan ní sòsè. Ẹ rí o. Òjò alẹ́ àná mọ́jú àárọ̀ yìí lè jẹ́ yìí. Tó bá rọ̀ láti àárọ̀ títí dọ̀sán ńkọ́, kọ́lọ́ máa fi iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ṣọ́ wa o. Ó dàbọ̀ o.
Ó yẹ sáàtì, wọ́n kẹ́ yẹ sáàtì.
Ẹ ti rí.
Ọ̀jẹ̀ ni,
ó máa lọ sẹ́ẹ̀.
máa lọ ni.
Ó ti rí o. Ìsọ́nà o.
Ẹ̀sà mọ́tò yóò lè lọ. Ẹ̀sà mọ́tò yóò lè lọ.
A máa sáré rèéṣẹ̀ ni.
Mọ́tò yóò lè lọ. Ṣé tí sẹ́ni adé ló máa dé?
Ó máa lọ. Ẹ ti rí. Ìsọ́nà o. Ẹ ti rí mọ́tò bí mọ́tò wà ibi ilé epo yẹn náà ni. Ẹ ti rí kò sọ́nà o. Àgùfóyè ṣe ti rí. Ìgbogbo àwọn ṣé àmànù yín ọ̀ṣọ́nà o. Ọ̀ṣọ́nà yàtúrà mọ́tò kú sínú omi. Tọ́lù ìṣọ̀nà. Ọ̀ṣọ́nà.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo Nàìjíríà lápọ̀ gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa. Oko ọ̀pẹ la wà yìí níjẹ̀dẹ̀ o. Òkè Eléètù ẹ ṣàánú wa, àdúgbò wa leléyìí o. Omi ti lé wa, tẹ́ bá máa mi ò tiẹ̀ lè wọlé mọ́, ó ti gba gbogbo everything jẹ́. Bí ṣe wà yìí bàtà gan kò sí bàtà kankan lẹ́sẹ̀ mi lẹ́yìn aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ sọ́rùn yìí. Ẹ wá ṣàánú wa ní 4th of August 2025 everything ta kó sínú ilé ló ti gbé lọ. Ẹ wà àdúgbò wa o. Àwọn èèyàn wá ń rescue àwọn èèyàn wọn ni o. Àárín ibi tá a máa gbà jáde o. Lagos State Governor Babájídé Sanwó-Olú, we voted for you o. Come and rescue us o.
Even in the chaos, someone was saying that the flood water has taken their 1 million naira that they had in their house. Princess, I should have checked on you. I hope you are safe. I mean, I hope you are safe and everyone is safe as well. Okay. So it is like a Ikorodu underwater overnight. And I hope it's probably like, down now, because that's the only thing that you can wait for. It's not as if to say they are going to put any form of rescue operation out, provision for temporary shelter, provision for people who can't sleep inside the house that just got flooded. But people are going to have to be on their own. Or you will see the politicians there tomorrow to take pictures and say, oh yeah, Ikorodu, okay, yeah, everything is fine. We are working on it, So I hope you get the help you need. If you are watching me from Ikorodu, because I can't imagine what it is like, especially those who are like also to like families, who have children in this situation. I can't imagine. So we sympathize with all of you, and we send our empathy as well. And hopefully you will get the help you need. That's the least we can, yeah? So to the Ibadan people, it has now been announced that the former governor, Rashidi Ladoja, will be their 44th Olubadan. So they made the announcement in Ibadan today, and there could be a coronation, a coronation of the next Olubadan of Ibadan coming up anytime from now. This one.
His Supremacy Oba Abdulrasheed Adewolu Ladoja. I was appointed by the new Otun Olubadan, who is leaving the post of Osi Olubadan. That's Oba Edi Oyewole. He seconded me in the motion. That's him. After that, we put the resolution to the whole house, and we unanimously decide and resolve that His Imperial Majesty Oba Abdulrasheed Adewolu Ladoja should be the Olubadan of Badana for the 4th one. Thank you very much. So now, after I've told you what we have done, if you have questions to ask us, we are ready to take questions. Anyone can ask.
So yeah, and the succession plans to the Olubadan stool. The succession plan to the Olubadan stool is like by hierarchy, so they always know who is next. And if the current one dies, they know who is coming next. So they have always been like, that's why you will never have any controversy around it. Government can't change it yet. And the people themselves have kept that for a very long time. So there is no rivalry, this or that. And that's why you will see most of the Olubadans are like very old people. They don't look for any young people because it is hierarchy. You will be in this position. Once the person who is the Olubadan now dies, the person who is like the Otun Olubadan, which is the right-hand man, will be the next one. So you see, there's the next one who are like, was like the Osi Olubadan. I don't know if that's the hierarchy. I'm just using an example, right? Bashar Olubadan, this one Olubadan, Shegana. So once this one dies, you move to that position. Another person takes yours, and they shift and shift and shift like that. So once you are done and die and goes, similarly, they are appointing, replacing chiefs for the free space as well. So and like that, they have been running it very, very smoothly and successfully for centuries. I'll put it that way. It's up to centuries, like yeah, Ibadan. Anyway, we are not doing history right now, okay? But yeah, that part. So congratulations to the Ibadan people, as you have your new 44th Olubadan of Ibadan, Oba Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja. And on that note, I'm going to draw the curtains tonight. So I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for your support. I have something to say. Mayegun's Diary Politico actually, runs on, the revenue from the content created, as well as the generosity of the Templars, you. And every now and then, I am always very grateful. So the YouTube algorithm has really done us a number, cut down most of the earnings, and while what it takes to actually keep running this platform remains the same. So your support is greatly appreciated, every one of you. And I want to say thank you to those who have kept faith with that, every one of you. So thank you. I will see you another time. If you joined us midway in the program, you can, so you can possibly just rewind this and watch it from the start. But if you have been with us from the start, thank you, right? And remember, if you haven't shared or liked the broadcast, do it before you leave. I will see you again, of course. So from here, it is a good night. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Mayegun làwa mọ̀ làmọ̀ tó dòdòdò.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Mayegun làwa mọ̀ làmọ̀ tó dòdòdò.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Mayegun ti dé o, ọ̀rẹ́ ará ìlú.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Lórí Facebook, lórí YouTube.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ ni Mayegun já wa sí.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Àṣírí ọ̀jẹ̀lú kì í bò níbẹ̀ o.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Bó bá ṣe eré, àní Mayegun máa wí.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Ó sì tún ṣe eré, wàá gbọ́ níbẹ̀ o.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Mayegun Diary, Diary Politico.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Godfatherism kò sí lọ́rọ̀ Mayegun.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Ẹ farabalẹ̀ sẹ́ o kẹgọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu o.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Àní Mayegun làwa mọ̀ tó dòdòdò.
Mayegun Diary, Mayebi #1.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé. Mayegun ti dé.
Ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Lórí Facebook.
Mayegun ti dé.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Lórí YouTube.
Mayegun ti dé.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Bọ́ bàbá gbé wúrẹ́.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Ijó ìgbádìyẹ.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Presido bá rúfin o.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Kí gómìnà kówó jẹ.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Ọlọ́pàá tí ń darí bá.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Aṣòfin tí ń rúfin o.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Òpùrọ́ olóṣèlú.
Mayegun máa wí.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì.
Mayegun ti dé.
Mayegun ti dé. Gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Mayegun ti dé. Gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ṣùgbọ́n ní bá ti ṣe èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe, ọmọ bá dèrò ní fi wọ́n níran o.
Mayegun ti dé. Gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Mayegun ti dé. Gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ṣùgbọ́n ní bá ti ṣe èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe, ọmọ bá dèrò ní fi wọ́n níran.
Wọ́n fowó bẹ́ẹ̀ o, Mayegun ó sọ pé wọ́n ò fẹ́ bẹ̀. wọ́n fowó bẹ́ẹ̀ Máyégún ó sọ pé wọ́n ò bẹ́ẹ̀ oníkanṣá ti ṣe èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe fáwọn ará ìlú tó gbé wọn débẹ̀ o àyè.
Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì. Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì. Ṣùgbọ́n ní bá ti ṣe yìí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe ọmọ bá dẹ́rọ̀ Oòni fi wọ́n níran.
Kì máa yí ṣe eré ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣe ẹ̀fẹ̀